I just rearranged my Stream Deck, and from left above you see the processor time, the space free on my C drive, the time, the mute button for the audio, and another audio button for the volume. Left in the middle row you see the days that my computer is up, the ping to Google, again a clock and a date and a time, which monitor my primary screen is. With the most right button I can start Bluetooth or drop it again. And left below you see the ping and the up and the download speed. A button to press when I have some text, and that text is pasted in a document. The red button is a button to stop the computer or restart the computer or to log off myself. I will show that later on. And you see my Ethernet connection is up, so if I have a broken Ethernet connection or connector, I can see that over here in my Stream Deck. And I will show you what happens if I press the red button. I have the option to confirm and my computer shuts down, to cancel, to reboot the computer, or to lock the computer, or to sign out my account and to sleep. I'm gonna cancel it.